Every night, she stood beneath the moon, hiding her lonely heart behind a royal smile. But deep inside, she longed for someone who saw her, not her crown. Below the balcony, he waited in silence, holding a single silver rose. Not as a prince seeking power, but as a soul seeking her. When their eyes met, the world around them disappeared. In that silent moment, love spoke louder than words. But love is never unseen in a palace full of secrets. From the shadows, golden eyes burned with jealousy. As dark magic rose into the night sky, the air turned cold. Someone had decided their love would not survive. A wall of purple energy tore them apart in an instant. Their hands reached, but destiny pulled them away. When darkness tried to crush him, the silver rose began to shine. Love was stronger than fear. High above, her crown answered the call of ancient magic. She was not just a princess, she was power. For the first time, doubt flickered in his golden eyes. He had underestimated the bond between them. The storm shattered into light as their magic united. No curse could stand against a fearless heart. Defeated but not destroyed. Faded into the shadows. Because some battles end, but not the war. And under the quiet moonlight, they stood closer than ever. This was not the end, it was only the beginning.